Have you ever wondered about the financial performance of Meta Platforms Inc? Well, let's dive into it. In the second quarter of this year, Meta Platforms, or Meta as we know it, saw a significant surge in its anticipated earnings per share. A whopping 123.8% year-over-year increase, jumping from 2.18 to a remarkable 3.6 per share. But that's not all. The anticipated revenue also had a healthy growth of 20.6% year-over-year, rising 9.0% from $30.668 billion to a substantial $33.43 billion. As we move forward, Meta is scheduled to report its third quarter earnings post-market on Wednesday. Looking ahead, projections indicate higher earnings per share and revenue on a year-over-year basis. Let's delve deeper into Meta's performance insights. Last quarter was notably profitable for Meta, surpassing both earnings per share and revenue expectations. This success is mirrored in the projected growth of both these figures on a year-over-year basis. The key to Meta's success lies in its engagement trends, with a staggering 3.8 billion people accessing at least one of Meta's apps each month. The company maintains a strong and ever-growing user base. Facebook alone, one of Meta's flagship products, boasts over 3 billion monthly active users. But Meta isn't just resting on its laurels. With an array of new products on the horizon, including Threads, Reels, the AI model Llama 2, and the much-anticipated Quest 3 launch, Meta is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital space. Now let's shift our focus to some key highlights from various segments. Threads is experiencing tremendous growth and is poised to monetize after this expansion phase. In terms of Meta's overall approach, the company is prioritizing technological innovation, better financial outcomes, and establishing stability for its workforce in what it calls the Year of Efficiency. Looking ahead to 2024, Meta is emphasizing lean management and efficient hiring practices. And on the product roadmap, Meta is betting big on two major technological shifts: artificial intelligence and the metaverse. Meta is also making strides in open sourcing and infrastructure, with the open sourcing of its AI model Llama 2 in the pipeline. And in the realm of the metaverse and reality labs, we're seeing exciting advancements in mixed reality with products like the Quest 3 mixed reality headset and a fruitful partnership with Roblox. In essence, Meta's diverse portfolio and technological advances are setting the stage for an exciting future. Whether it's through the continued growth of its existing platforms or the introduction of groundbreaking new products and technologies, Meta is poised at the forefront of the digital revolution. Let's take a closer look at Meta's financials. Second quarter of the year 2023 was another strong one for the company, with total revenue reaching $32 billion, marking an 11% increase from the previous year. This financial growth is reflected in Meta's operating income, which stands at a robust $9.4 billion, accompanied by a healthy margin of 29%. The net income, which is a key indicator of the company's profitability, is reported to be at $7.8 billion. This demonstrates a strong financial position and the company's ability to generate substantial profits. Furthermore, Meta has been proactive with its capital management, undertaking stock repurchases worth $793 million and holding cash and marketable securities worth $53.4 billion. Now, let's delve into the performance of Meta's key segments. The Family of Apps segment, with Facebook as its spearhead, surpassed the 3 billion monthly users mark. The second quarter revenue from this segment was a whopping $31.7 billion, predominantly generated from ad revenue. On the other hand, the Reality Labs segment, responsible for exciting advancements in mixed reality, faced a downturn in the second quarter. The revenue stood at $276 million, marking a 39% decrease, and reported an operating loss of $3.7 billion. Looking ahead, the revenue projections for the third quarter of 2023 range between $32 billion and $34.5 billion. This suggests a positive business outlook for the company and a continued upward trend. Meta's disciplined investment philosophy, focusing on AI and the metaverse, positions it well for future growth. The company continues to prioritize technological innovation, with a strong emphasis on lean management and efficient hiring practices. It's clear that Meta is not just resting on its laurels, but is actively investing and planning for a successful future. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points discussed. Meta's impressive Q2 performance, with a surge in both EPS and revenue, sets the stage for promising Q3 earnings. The company's consistent growth, innovations like Threads and Llama 2, and ventures into AI and the metaverse underscore its forward thinking. Financially, Meta's Q2 revenue and operating income increased, despite some challenges. While Meta has achieved remarkable milestones, there's an optimistic outlook for the future. The company remains grateful to everyone for their continued support on this journey. For more information, check the description below to join a community of like-minded traders.
Arieous Invest. Trading reimagined.